Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do the braided heart style. First you're going to use a pointy end of the comb and you're going to start making the shape of a heart on one side of your model's head. Once you have the heart shape cut out, then just tie it off with a clip or a hair tie to keep it separate. Then you are going to take a small heart shape around the heart, and this is the part we're going to braid. You're just going to take small pieces all the way around. First heart shape that we did, we're going to smooth it all out and we're going to put an elastic around it. Now we're going to use our topsy tail tool and stick it down the center of the heart, and you're going to pull the hair through, and it's just going to do a topsy tail, and this is the shape of your heart. Now we're going to start braiding around the heart. We're going to do lace, a Dutch lace braid, and you're going to grab small sections and you're going to angle it around the heart so it's the shape of the heart. Finish the one side of the heart, you're going to clip it off with a clip, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to take an elastic and you're going to take those two braids that are around the heart and you're going to tie them with an elastic. pieces to make it all nice and clean. And that's it. This is the finished look. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.